Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to fix auto lock grayed out on iPhone. Let's go. When this happens, it can be frustrating as it prevents you from adjusting the screen lock timer on your device. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Now scroll down again and you'll see the auto lock option if you find that the auto lock setting is gray out and unchanged. It is due to the low power mode being enabled on your device. Low power mode is a feature designed to conserve battery life by reducing certain functions. And one of the consequences is that it can prevent you from adjusting the screen lock time. Now to fix the problem, simply disable low power mode. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center. Then tap on the low power mode option to turn it off. If you can't find the low power mode option in your control center, then go back to the settings page. Then tap on battery, and from here you can turn off or turn on low power mode. Once low power mode is turned off, you should be able to access and adjust the auto lock setting as usual. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.